Hi and welcome to Verbose DevOps. On this channel we'll be learning all about things cloud and DevOps, from Kubernetes and containers to Linux to Python, Bash and Golang to system design and architecture. Now, in case you didn't know already, cloud is a broad-based, more fundamental subject, and DevOps is a more specific, development-focused track. So to be a successful modern-day engineer, you really have to know and apply a combination of both of these, both the broad and the more focused areas, and that is what we will cover here on this channel together. Now, I call this channel Verbose DevOps because in everyday language, verbose means using or expressed in more words than are needed. But however, in the computing world, it means something different altogether. It means extended information, specific and obvious. And I really like the irony there. You see, cloud and DevOps world is full of useless noise, and most topics, really, you can distill them to a few basic facts you need to know. So, in this channel, I'm going to use my real-world experience, break it down into simple terms into just 10-minute videos on the essential topics that every engineer must follow as part of the roadmap, as well as new insights, live programming, code walkthroughs, personal stories, case studies and more. You simply cannot find all of this in a regular textbook. So that's it. I hope you get great value out of this channel. Please browse my videos, subscribe to the channel and come back often for more. Thanks for watching and see you soon.